So for this question here, same thing. You need to know that there are only 8 expressions you can integrate for trigo. Okay. This one, you need to split it up. Sine and sine. So you can't integrate this directly. You can't. So what you need is actually split it up using factor formula there. So sine 2mx sine 2nx dx. Bring the formula up. So for factor formula, like I said many times, this one here, this is A, this is B. Okay, if you take A, this whole thing here, A plus B will give you P. Okay, because half P plus half P. Then if A minus B, this will give you Q. Right? So in other words, the factor formula can be written as sine A sine B equals to cosine A plus B minus cosine A minus B. Okay, please know how to use this properly, because if you don't know how to use this properly, likely going to struggle a bit for this part here. Okay, because these can be integrated. Everything here can be integrated. All these are green lights for you. Okay, these are like Christmas present for you. This one, all this can be integrated. Okay, so that's why we need to change to the one right. So this part here, minus sine, we'll put the minus half here, sine 2mx dx minus half cosine 2mx plus 2nx minus cosine dx. Okay, there you go. So life is good. So good. 2m plus 2n x. Let me just bracket it nicely. Okay. Minus half. Okay, you divide by the coefficient of x. So 2m minus 2n plus c. I think you can just leave it like that. Of course, you don't need to multiply in, but I don't really feel nice about leaving things that. So I'm just gonna there you go. We find quite okay. There's the second part. Square, just sub everything in okay? Because please redo these questions if you are stuck, okay? After your lesson, just redo them, because it may seem like easier. Like, just make sure you can do all this confidently before the exam. So sine 2mx plus sine 2nx. Sine 2mx 2nx, right? Square dx. So this case here, just expand it. Sine square 2mx plus 2 sine 2mx sine 2nx, which is what we got previously. So it's sine square 2nx. Okay, these two here definitely cannot be integrated. Sine square is not part of the 8 expression we can integrate. So what you need is actually to use double angle formula, right? Now, when the trick to trigo, right, is to know which can be integrated in MF26. Okay, so like this can be integrated. This all cosine tangent can be integrated. Sine can be integrated. This one cannot be integrated. This one can be integrated. This one cannot. Can. Okay, this one can. All this can be integrated. The rest, which mark across, cannot be integrated. Okay. Your goal is to know which can be integrated. So from here, actually, what you need is cosine 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square A, which is what can be integrated. So here will be sine, this all can be integrated. So I'm going to express all in terms of an expression that can be integrated. All these here can be integrated. Sine square A cannot be integrated, right? So I just substitute it in. There you go. So once done, just do this. 0 to pi. This is half. 1 minus cosine 4mx. Just multiply by 2 straight lah. So if this is 2mx, this is 4mx, right? Okay, dx. Then I'm just gonna use the previous working. Then the same thing. This is half. This question is kind in the sense that this and this are the same working. Okay, they are the same working. So you can use it to check. Okay. Yes. So this one is half x minus okay, this one here. We'll just use the whole thing just now. I'm just gonna copy from previous part. Okay. Wow, it was a handful of things to write. Okay. I understand why this is 5 marks. 5 marks is a lot. It's 2.5% of your grade. So yes, thank you very much. So I thought that this is 2. There's no 2 here, so no excuse. I just got wrong. There you go. I'll put a multiply 2 there. Okay, great. Now, let's just examine this. This will be 0. Any issue there? For m is an integer value, right? They're positive integers. Perfectly fine. So 4m pi, sine 4m pi is 0. This is even number. You know this is even number, right? Even number of pi will be 0 lah. So of course sine 0 will be 0 as well. So just take note of that. Sine 0 is also 0. Sine even number pi was also 0. Okay, because it's a multiple of pi, so it's always on the x-axis. Same thing. This is even number. Alright, 2n plus 2n they are even, right? Okay. This is also even number. You know that this is even number also, right? You know why this is even? Because 2m minus n. It doesn't matter. This will be integer value. 2 times any number will always be even. Okay? Just give me a number, you times 2, we confirm even one. Then these are all even. So it's very fun to play. This one here, sine 2m plus 2n pi will also be 0. Actually, all this will be 0 lah. So conveniently, this whole thing will just be half pi minus 0. Then the whole thing, the next thing is 0. So 2 minus sine 0. Oh, this is 0, 0. Oh, everything is 0. Oh, yeah, 0. Wow, okay. Then the next one will be 0, 0, 0. Wow, okay. So what is left is just pi. Yeah, sorry? Yes. But 5 marks ah. Yeah. Oh, but even if I got it wrong just now, I still get the correct answer because it's 0. Okay. Sometimes they will miss it. Yeah, but anyway, yeah.